here we are. This is the fridge. So we mixed 2 pounds of that Tannerite in there. We just put it in the shaker bottle. We're gonna put that in the fridge and blow it up, see what happens. It's gonna be about 100 something yards. All right, guys. So we got the Tannerite ready. We took a practice shot at it right there. So we got it set up. Get this thing right on the first try. Yeah. So let's see what happens.
Why'd you put us?
Watch out. Oh! What is that? The door?
The door.
Oh yeah, that's what we were aiming for. The last shot we did it, we were just aiming for the same spot.
That was sick.
And there's whatever's left of that fridge. There it is. There's the back. Back of the fridge. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.